Hello everyone, myself Dr. Priyanka Shankarishan, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Biology, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Today we are going to take up a new topic, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board.
The AERB is under Indian government jurisdiction, and it was formed on 15 November 1983, and its headquarters is in Mumbai, and it was constituted by the President of India by exercising the powers conferred by Section 27 of the Atomic Energy Act of 1962 to carry out certain regulatory and safety functions under the Act. The regulatory authority of AERB is derived from the rules and notifications which are present in the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and the Environmental Protection Act 1986. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. The main mission of the board is to ensure that the use of ionizing energy and nuclear energy in India does not cause any undue risks to health and the environment. Okay, the main mission of this board, that is the mission of AERB, is to ensure that the use of ionizing radiation and nuclear energy, I think by now you must know that there are ionizing radiation and nuclear energy is being used in for different works or different fields which may cause some risks to the health and environment. So this board primarily ensures that these kinds of use of ionizing radiation and nuclear energy does not cause any undue risks to health and the environment. Currently, the board consists of a full-time chairman, a member, and a 3 part-time members and a secretary. Okay, so this is what the board consists of. The AERB consists of a full-time chairman, a member, and 3 part-time members and a secretary. Now the AERB is supported by different other subcommittees. Okay, so first is the Safety Review Committee for Operating Plants, which is abbreviated as SARCOP. The Safety Review Committee for Applications of Radiations, abbreviated as SARCAR, and the Advisory Committees for Project Safety Review, that is ACPSRs. Okay, so these are the different committees which is supported by the AERB. Now again, AERB also receives advice from Advisory Committee on Nuclear Safety, which is also abbreviated as ACNS. The ACNS is composed of experts from AERB, DAE, and institutions outside the DAE. The ACNS provides recommendations on the various safety codes, guides, and the manuals being prepared for setting, design, construction, and related to the extension of nuclear power plants, which have been prepared with the respective advisory committees for each of these areas. It also advises the board on certain generic safety issues, and the administration and the regulatory mechanisms which are in place ensure a multi-tier review by experts available in the nationwide. Now there are different divisions of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. It primarily consists of 9 different divisions. First is the Operating Plant Safety Division. Second is the Nuclear Projects Safety Division. Third is the Radiological Safety Division. Fourth is the Nuclear Safety Analysis Division. Fifth is the Resources and Documentation Division. Sixth is the Directorate of Regulatory Inspection. Seventh is the Directorate of Regulatory Affairs and Communications. Eighth is the Directorate of Radiation Protection and Environment. Ninth is the Safety Research Institute, which is present as Kalpakam. Okay, so these are the 9 different divisions of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Okay, so when we talk of different divisions, then these are the different divisions, and each divisions has been given a specific job or has been given a specific responsibility to carry out their work. So there are so you may not so it's not required to know in detail the work or this thing given to each of these divisions, but it is better to have an idea that AERB is comprised of 9 divisions, and these are the names of the 9 divisions. So next is the functions of the AERB. What are the specific functions which the AERB has? First is to develop the safety policies in nuclear, radiation and industrial safety areas for facility which is under its purview. To develop safety code guidelines for the construction, operation of different types of nuclear and radiation facilities, to grant consents for construction, operation, etc. for establishment of nuclear and radiation facilities, to ensure compliance with the regulatory requirements which is prescribed by AERB during all stages of consenting of a regulatory inspection and enforcement. They prescribe the acceptance limits of radiation exposure to occupational workers, to review the emergency preparedness plans for nuclear and radiation facilities, to review the training program and the qualifications, to take up steps necessary to keep the public informed on major issues of radiological safety significance, to maintain licensing with the statutory bodies in the country as well as abroad regarding the safety measures related to radiological or the nuclear energy, to promote research and development efforts in the areas of safety, to review the nuclear and the industrial safety aspects in nuclear facilities, and to notifying the public of any nuclear incident which may occur in the nuclear installations, which has been mandated by the Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 210. Okay, so these are the different functions of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, which is also known as the AERB. So when we talk about AERB, the first thing that has to be that we need to know is that it is a board which was constituted in November 1983 by the President of India by exercising the powers of Section 27 of the Atomic Energy Act 1962, and its headquarters is present in Mumbai. It is mainly derived from the rules and notifications present under the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and the Environmental Protection Act 1986. The main mission of the board is to ensure that the use of ionizing energy and nuclear energy does not cause any undue risks to health and to the environment. It is the main committee or the members of the board is the full-time chairman and member and 3 part-time members and a secretary. The different divisions of AERB and the main functions of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Okay, so these are the things that you have to know under this topic. Okay, I think you will I think you have understood what is being told to you, and I shall be also giving you the PPT of this lecture. Once you go through it, it will help you for your better understanding. Thank you.